Welcome to this video on GPT-5.6 Sol. We will explore what this flagship high-performance model represents and how it functions within the GPT-5.6 family. GPT-5.6 Sol is designed as the flagship model for the GPT-5.6 series. It is engineered to handle complex tasks, including advanced reasoning, coding, scientific research, cybersecurity, and professional design work. The primary capabilities of GPT-5.6 Sol include deep reasoning for complex problem-solving, coding support, advanced research and data analysis, professional document creation, and a strong understanding of visual design principles. This table outlines the reasoning levels available. Users can choose between instant, medium, high, extra high, or pro levels depending on the complexity of their task, ranging from simple queries to demanding professional workflows. The Sol designation refers to a performance tier rather than a subscription plan. It is joined in the family by Terra for balanced speed and capability, and Luna for faster, lower-cost tasks. Use GPT 5.6 Sol for intensive tasks like academic assignments, literature reviews, complex calculations, coding projects, or detailed content planning. It is built to provide high-quality results for demanding requirements. Remember that while instant options are ideal for quick answers, the high reasoning capabilities of Sol are better suited for complex work, even if they require a bit more processing time.